Right now, while you're watching this video, someone just made $50,000 in their sleep using AI. Not from crypto, not from stocks. From AI systems they built once and now run automatically. We're living through the biggest wealth transfer in human history, and it's happening faster than anyone predicted. In 2024 alone, AI generated over $1.3 trillion in economic value. But here's the crazy part. 99% of people still think AI is just ChatGPT. They're about to get left behind. If you're watching this, you're either ahead of the curve or you're about to be. Because in this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI wealth moves that are creating millionaires in 2025, and how you can position yourself before everyone else catches on. Let's dive into the AI moves that separate the wealthy from everyone else. Part 1. The AI First Service Empire Blueprint. Here's what most people don't understand about AI. It's not replacing businesses. It's creating entirely new categories of businesses. Meet Lisa, a former marketing manager who quit her $75,000 job in March 2024. Today, she runs an AI-powered content agency that generates $400,000 annually with 0 employees. Her secret? She built what I call an AI-first service empire. Traditional agencies are dying. Clients want faster results, lower costs, and higher quality. But most agencies are still operating like it's 2015. Lisa's solution. She uses AI to deliver services that would normally require a team of 15 people. Content creation. Claude and GPT-4 generate blog posts, social media content, and email campaigns. Design. Midjourney and Canva. AI create graphics and brand assets. Video production. Runway ML and Pika Labs produce video content from text prompts. Analytics, custom AI models analyze campaign performance and optimize in real-time client communication. AI assistants handle scheduling, reporting, and basic client queries. Lisa's margins are 85% because her only real costs are AI subscriptions and her time. She's not selling hours, she's selling outcomes. But here's the kicker. She's not just using AI as a tool. She's built her entire business model around AI capabilities that didn't exist 18 months ago. The opportunity. Pick any service-based business. Accounting, legal research, graphic design, copywriting, social media management, and rebuild it AI first. The companies doing this are capturing massive market share while traditional competitors struggle to keep up. Your move. Identify a service you already understand, learn the AI tools that can automate 80% of the work, and launch an AI-first version. The early movers in each category are becoming the market leaders. Part 2. The Micro SaaS Millionaire Strategy. Remember when you needed a team of engineers and millions in funding to build software? Those days are over. Meet Marcus, a former Uber Eats driver who built a $2.3 million AI-powered app in his bedroom with no coding experience. His app, Property Wizard, uses AI to analyze rental properties and predict their investment potential. Real estate investors pay $97 a month for access. Traditional software development is expensive, slow, and risky. But what if you could build, test, and launch software in weeks instead of years? Marcus's secret. He used what I call the AI code stack. Cursor AI writes code from natural language descriptions V0 by Vercel, generates React components from simple prompts. Supabase provides database and back-end infrastructure. Stripe handles payments automatically. Zapier connects everything together. Marcus literally talked his app into existence. He described what he wanted and AI built it. Property Wizard now has 2,400 paying subscribers. That's $276,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Marcus's total development cost? Less than $500. The bigger picture. We're seeing thousands of these micro SaaS businesses emerge. They solve specific problems for specific niches, and they're incredibly profitable because they're built with AI. Examples of micro SaaS. Making millions. Podcast AI. Automatically generates show notes and social media posts from podcast episodes. Email. Genius. AI-powered email marketing for local businesses. Fitness GPT. Personalized workout plans based on AI analysis. Restaurant bot. AI customer service for restaurants. Your move. Find a repetitive task in an industry you understand. Build an AI tool that automates it. Charge a monthly subscription. The beauty of micro SaaS is that you only need 1,000 customers paying $100 a month to make $1.2 million annually. Part 3. The AI data goldmine. Play here's a wealth-building strategy most people completely miss. AI doesn't just need data, it needs good data, and good data is worth more than gold. Meet Jennifer, a former nurse who's now making $150,000 annually by selling medical data to AI companies. Jennifer realized that AI companies building healthcare tools desperately need clean, annotated medical data to train their models. But most medical data is messy, incomplete, or legally complicated. She created a business that collects anonymized medical data from healthcare providers, cleans and structures it for AI training, sells it to AI companies building diagnostic tools. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. Companies are willing to pay premium prices for high-quality, specialized data sets. Jennifer's data is used by 23 different AI companies. She earns licensing fees every time they use her data sets, plus ongoing royalties when their products generate revenue. The bigger opportunity. Every industry has data that AI companies need. Legal data, court documents, contracts, legal precedents, financial data, market analysis, trading patterns, risk assessments. Educational data, learning patterns, curriculum effectiveness. Retail data, customer behavior, purchase patterns, inventory optimization. Your move. Identify an industry where you have access to data or domain expertise. Create clean, structured data sets that AI companies can use. The key is quality over quantity. Specialized, well-annotated data is worth 10x more than raw data dumps. Part 4. The AI infrastructure investment strategy. While everyone's focused on building AI apps, smart money is investing in the infrastructure that makes AI possible. This isn't about buying NVIDIA stock, though that's worked out well. This is about owning pieces of the AI economy that generate passive income. AI needs massive amounts of computing power, and that power has to come from somewhere. Enter the world of AI infrastructure investing. Meet David, a former IT consultant who now owns a network of GPU servers that he rents to AI companies. His monthly passive income? $47,000. How it works. David purchased high-end GPUs using financing. He set up servers in data centers across the country. AI companies rent his computing power by the hour. He earns money 24/7 while his servers run AI training and inference. David's initial investment was $280,000. His monthly revenue is $47,000. His profit margin is 68% after expenses. But here's the twist. You don't need $280,000 to start. New platforms are emerging that let you invest in AI infrastructure with much smaller amounts. Render Network. Decentralized GPU rendering. You can contribute your gaming PC's power when you're not using it. AI. Compute pools. Fractional ownership of enterprise-grade AI servers. Edge AI networks. Micro data centers for local AI processing. The bigger picture. As AI becomes more prevalent, the demand for computing power will explode. The people who own that infrastructure will collect rent on the entire AI economy. Your move. Start small. If you have a gaming computer, rent out your GPU power when you're not using it. As you generate cash flow, reinvest in more powerful hardware. Scale up to enterprise-level infrastructure as your profits grow. Part 5. The AI Consulting Empire Blueprint. Here's the move that's creating the most millionaires right now, helping businesses implement AI. Most companies know they need AI, but they have no idea where to start. They're paralyzed by options and terrified of making expensive mistakes. Meet Monica, a former business analyst who now runs an AI consulting firm generating $2.1 million annually. Her secret? She focuses on implementation, not theory. Every business wants AI, but most consultants are either too technical or too theoretical. Companies need someone who can bridge the gap between AI capabilities and business results. Monica's approach. I audit. She evaluates a company's current processes and identifies AI opportunities. Custom implementation. She builds AI solutions using existing tools, no coding required. Training and support. She trains their team to use and maintain the AI systems. Ongoing optimization. She monitors performance and continuously improves the systems. Monica helped a manufacturing company implement AI for quality control. The system automatically detects defects in products, reducing waste by 34% and saving $400,000 annually. Her fee for the project? $75,000. There's a massive gap between what AI can do and what businesses actually implement. Most companies are still doing manually what AI could automate. Monica charges $5,000, $50,000 per project, depending on complexity. She has a 6-month waiting list because demand is so high. The categories. Where AI consulting is exploding. Customer service. Chatbots and automated support systems. Marketing. Personalized campaigns and content generation operations. Process automation and efficiency optimization. Sales. Lead scoring and pipeline management. Finance, automated reporting, and fraud detection. Your move. Pick an industry you understand. Learn the AI tools that can solve their biggest problems. Start with small projects to build credibility, then scale to enterprise clients. The key is focusing on measurable business outcomes, not just cool AI features. Advanced AI Wealth Strategy, the Compound AI Portfolio. Here's how the smartest AI wealth builders are thinking about 2025. They're not picking one strategy. They're building a portfolio of AI income streams that compound together. The ultimate AI wealth stack. Foundation layer. Build a micro SaaS product for recurring revenue. Service layer. Offer AI consulting to fund your product development. Data layer. Create and sell data sets from your consulting work. Infrastructure layer. Invest profits in AI computing power. Equity layer. Take equity stakes in AI companies you help build. Each layer feeds the others. Your consulting work generates data for your products. Your products generate cash flow for infrastructure investments. Your infrastructure generates passive income that funds more ambitious projects. Instead of having one income stream, you have 5 that all grow together. When AI demand increases, all your income streams benefit simultaneously. The 2025 AI Wealth Prediction. Here's what's coming in 2025 that most people aren't prepared for. The AI productivity explosion. AI will become so good at generating content, code, and analysis that the barrier to starting a business will essentially disappear. The advantage will go to people who understand business strategy, not just AI tools. The specialization wave. Generic AI tools will become commoditized. The money will be in specialized AI solutions for specific industries and use cases. The infrastructure shortage. As AI adoption explodes, there won't be enough computing power to meet demand. People who own AI infrastructure will have massive pricing power. The skill premium. The gap between AI-skilled and non-AI skilled workers will create the largest wealth disparity in history. AI literacy will become as important as basic literacy. So here's the reality check. AI isn't coming, it's here. And the people who are building wealth with AI aren't waiting for permission or perfect conditions. They're experimenting, learning, and building right now. Your 30-day AI Wealth Challenge. Choose one of these 5 strategies and commit to it for the next 30 days. First service. Launch a service business powered by AI tools. Micro SaaS. Build a simple AI-powered app for a specific niche. Data business. Create and sell data sets in an industry you understand. Infrastructure. Investment. Start renting out computing power or invest in AI infrastructure, AI consulting. Help one business implement AI and document the results. Drop a comment below and tell me, which strategy resonates most with you? What's the biggest obstacle you're facing? What industry do you think has the most untapped AI opportunity? I read every comment, and I often reply with specific advice for your situation. If this opened your eyes to the AI wealth opportunity, make sure you subscribe to the Millionaire Roadmap and hit that notification bell. We're just getting started with AI wealth strategies, and the next few videos will dive even deeper into specific tactics and case studies. Remember, in every technological revolution, there are those who adapt and those who get left behind. The choice is yours. Until next time, keep building that roadmap to wealth. Your AI-powered future starts now.